All right, so welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. If you're coming from my other channels, this is the channel that I said I was gonna make to show you how to make money online. I wanted to separate it from the box truck channel because that's obviously it's a different, it's a brick and mortar business channel, and this is how to make money online. So I just wanted to separate it. On this channel, I'm going to take you, I know most of you guys are beginners, so I'm going to start, from the beginning and show you how to make money online. The easiest business model that I know I can teach you right away is called affiliate marketing. You don't have to have your own product to make money online. That's what makes it so good. And with this affiliate model, this affiliate marketing model, you can make money residual income. You can make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. It's not something you can do overnight. You have to lay your foundation. And what I mean by foundation, I mean your blog, website, YouTube channel. If you're not afraid to get in front of a camera, YouTube is a great way to drive traffic. And I'm going to show you those models too, how to drive traffic. I'm going to show you how to pick keywords, how to find buyer keywords, and how to get in front of buyers, so they click through so they can buy through your link. This is a model I've done for like 15 years. I mean, affiliate marketing is it's one of the top ones, aside from having your own product. Let's say you have a product, you can definitely make a ton of money with that. But, not everybody can just create a product, and not everybody, you know, could just sell. Not everybody can go in front of camera either. So this is the easiest way that I'm going to show you, and it's not a bad way. This is definitely one of the top 3 ways to make money online. You can ask anybody that makes money online, and it's called affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you what it is and how it works. With this model, with this model, you can make residual income, which means you can make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while you sleep. This is the way I make money. I've been doing this for about 15 years, like I said, and this is something that I'll never give up. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Affiliate marketing is pretty much like a middleman. I'm going to show you some examples of some big websites that make millions and millions of dollars just by the affiliate marketing model. And I'm going to take you there now. If you look at my screen, this is called NerdWallet. I'm sure you guys are aware of this site. What they do is they recommend different credit cards, for different kinds of credit scores. But they have different niches. So that's another thing I'm going to teach you, different niches, because we're not going to go in the credit card niche to make our money just because it's so competitive. We have to find a niche that's not so competitive. And that could be physical products. It could be software. It could be information products. It's just so many things. Almost everything has an affiliate program. So I just want to give you an example here. They have different niches. They have the travel. You get business loans, mortgage, insurance, student loans, and they get a commission. Everybody that applies for this stuff, they just refer you to banks. They don't actually do the lending or the credit cards. They just get a commission for sending the traffic there. If you click compare credit cards here, it's going to show you a list of credit cards. And like I said, building the foundation, for us, is going to be our website, our blogs. I'm going to show you how to build a blog, how to do it the right way, and how to do niche research and all that. So this is their foundation. You scroll here, they have dozens of cards. They have them for every credit score. So this is an affiliate site. So if you click here, it says product details. It is telling you everything about the offer and who is more likely to get approved for this stuff. So if you see your approval odds, well, you have to log in to see that. But that's what it does. It pretty much, breaks credit cards down by credit card scores and which ones you're more likely to get approved by. And, that's a service that they offer. It's not much, but for people looking for credit cards, it's a lot. So when you sign up for this, you click apply. This is an affiliate link. Each one of these apply now are affiliate links. And what happens with that, as soon as you click that, the credit card company is going to start tracking that click, and they're going to give them credit for. So if you don't get that link, and I think this is how it works with credit card, with most credit cards, even if you don't get that credit card, they're still going to get, $5 or $10 for that lead because it's a targeted lead. You know what I'm saying? You're somebody actually looking for a credit card. It's not like paying an ad on TV where, you know, is viewed by millions of people, and most of them are not even looking for credit cards. These leads here are targeted. The people that come on here and apply are actually looking for credit cards so they can pay them $5 or $10 even if you don't apply. And if you do get approved for that credit card, then the commission becomes bigger. It could be $100, it could be more. So I'm gonna click this link, and it's an affiliate link. It's an affiliate link. This is what we're gonna do. So they're just being a middleman. They're redirecting you, and then they're done. Their job is done. They don't have to do nothing else. Whether you get approved for a credit card or not, they're gonna get paid. And that's what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell. If you look at all these numbers here, it says affiliates 2022, and it says all of this. This is the tracking code that the credit card company gave to NerdWallet to track everything. So if you buy something here, if you get approved or not, they're going to get a good commission. So another big website I know most people are aware of is Credit Karma. You know, you see the commercials. They spend millions and millions of dollars every year on commercials, on radio, and all that. And what they offer is a free look at your credit score. What they give you information on how to improve your credit score, and, you know, a lot of other things. And the way they make money is through affiliate marketing. They offer credit cards. So if you have bad credit and you're looking for a credit card, you know, most people are going to turn you down, but they're going to show you credit cards companies that have a high chance of giving you a credit card. And like I said in the first one with NerdWallet, if you sign up for application, even if you get denied, they're going to get a commission. And if you sign up and you get approved for that card, they're going to give you an even bigger commission. So that's pretty much what it is. It's the same thing. You sign up, and that's how they make up their money. That's how they make a ton of money. These people make millions and millions of dollars every single year with the affiliate model. And one more site I want to show you is called Brad's Deals. I don't know if everybody knows. It's pretty popular. I've known them for years. And this is for physical products, you know, not credit cards, physical products. And what they do is they find a good deal on the internet, and then they send you the email and tell you, hey, look at this good deal, like this Adidas here. It's $36 shipped. That's with shipping included. You know, Adidas, where are you going to find Adidas for $36? So they're doing you a favor by just bringing this up to your attention. And if you click on them, it's going to take you to the page. And as you can see here, this is an affiliate link. Okay, so let me go back. Let me find other stores. So that's Adidas. This is Amazon link. This is Macy's. Let's say Macy's. Everybody knows what Macy's is. They're saying this is a comforter blanket. And that was an affiliate link. Just like that. You know, it's telling you what it is. It's a 12-piece bedroom set. Drops from $120 to $55.99 in all sets on Macy's.com. So this right here is an affiliate link. As soon as you say, it says right here, get it at Macy's. As soon as you click that, it's taking you to Macy's. And Macy's is tracking that click as an affiliate link. And if you buy this blanket at Macy's, they're going to get a commission. The price is not going to go up. You're still going to pay the same price, but they get a commission. You know, it's just like a salesman. Their job is done. Their job is done. They don't have to do nothing else. Once you click that link and, you know, you read that little thing, their job is done. And they have something called cookies that they say cookies are something that tracks your movements in the store. Let's say a cookie is, they give you like a 30 to 60-day cookie. Okay, I don't know how to explain it to you guys in a term you understand. So it's like, it's just a tracking cookie. You know, they track, some cookies are 30 days long, some are 60 days long. So let's say you don't buy it today, and let's say you come back 45 days later to buy that same comforter set. You know, let's say you were waiting for a certain paycheck to come or something, and you buy it. They're still going to get credit for that commission. Okay, but after like the 60 days, you know, you have to read the terms. You know, most of them are like 30 to 60 days. Some are 90 days. Some are up to a year long. Well, they'll give you the credit as long as they buy it within that time frame. Now, the one we're going to do first, I'm going to teach you is Amazon. Okay, Amazon, they got something called Amazon Associates. This is the affiliate program for Amazon. This is by far the easiest one, but their commissions are real small. Amazon commissions are so small. They're about 2, 3, 4%, depending on what area you're trying to promote. But they're the most popular retail site in the world. You know, their commissions are small, but conversion rate is high. I get about 14 to 15% commission rate on all the people that I send on all my clicks, which is extremely high. Let's say if you're promoting a software, you might get 1 or 2%, which is still good. For every 100, you might get 1 or 2 people that buy. And, software commissions are bigger because, software, they can get expensive. And once they're made, you just have to upkeep them. And they're bigger commissions. And that's what we want to move on to. But since you guys are beginners, I want to show you how to make your first money online with Amazon because it's the easiest. I don't want to, throw you to the sharks first. So I'm going to show you how to do it with Amazon. Don't sign up for this yet because if you make 2 or 3 commissions on this, then they'll go review your site. And if you don't have a website, they're going to close your account down. Then you have to sign up again. So you have to have a website and you have to have your disclaimer. So I'm going to show you how to set all that up in a different video. But this is where you're going to make your first money, is setting up for Amazon affiliates. And once you start making money with Amazon, then you can move on to bigger items. And I'm going to show you how to set all this up. I'm going to show you how to do keyword research, how to find buyers, and all of that. And this is not just limited to Amazon or credit cards. Almost everything has an affiliate program. Almost everything. If you're looking for tents, bikes, umbrellas, desks, almost everything has an affiliate program. So it's just not limited to this. Let's say you want to sell dresses, expensive watches. Let's say Movado is an expensive watch. If you want to go in that route, you can get a commission from those. Almost everything has an affiliate program. So I'm going to show you how to find affiliate programs. I'm going to show you how to set all of this up, man. Like I said, it's a foundation. It's not something that you can do easily. You're not just going to go, snap your fingers. You're going to make this. You're going to set this up. And once you set up one page for one product, you let it sit for a few months until it gets traffic, because Google, what we want to do is rank these on Google. So I'm going to show you how to do keyword research and SEO, so that way they rank on Google. And when people are searching for this on Google, we want your page to show up on the first page. And once you do that, it's just residual income. I have stuff, like I said, I make money 24 hours a day, without doing anything. I set these up. And every day I come to the office, I set up a new affiliate program that I know I'm not going to make money right away. If I set it up today, I look for, 6 or a year from now to make money from that. But like I said, you have to set up this, you have to set this up, set the foundation, and there's ways to do it fast, which is with paying advertising, which can get out of hand. I'm going to show you how to do that too. YouTube is a great way to do traffic. And it's free, so I'm going to show you that first. But, like I said, you have to lay the foundation. And once you have these, these pages and they're getting traffic by themselves, they're just like cash registers. Each website, each review, each page just brings you money, residual income, and all that adds up at the end. So, I wanted to keep this short. I just wanted you to get the gist of what affiliate marketing is. So I'm going to leave this here. The next video, we'll move on to something else, and then eventually I'll show you how to make the websites and how to do all this and how to do research. But today I just wanted to show you what affiliate marketing is and how great it is. Affiliate marketing is a multi-billion-dollar a year business with a B, multi-billions, that people, and all they are just middlemen, from people that are looking to buy stuff. So yeah, like I said, this is an affiliate program from Amazon. This is the first one we're going to promote because this is the easiest one to make your money. So we'll go from there. So subscribe to the channel. Make sure you put the notification, so that way when I come out with the next video, I'm going to show you. I think people learn better in little bits instead of throwing everything at once. They learn little bits, and then I'll give you assignments and, do stuff so you can look over my shoulder to set this up. And hopefully we'll make money together. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You guys have a good one, and I'll see you later.